about the nature of love, intimacy, and what it means to be human. Section 4. Ethical quandaries, love in the age of algorithms. The rise of AI intimacy raises a host of ethical concerns.
Can we truly have genuine relationships with machines? Is it morally acceptable to treat AI companions as substitutes for human connection?
Some argue that relying on AI for intimacy could lead to emotional detachment. They worry about the potential for objectification and dehumanizing effects.
Others believe AI companions can enhance our lives, providing companionship and support.
The ethical debate surrounding AI intimacy is complex and multifaceted. Section 5. The human connection. Will AI isolate or enhance? One of the most pressing questions surrounding AI intimacy is its potential impact on human relationships.
Will AI companions isolate us further, leading to a decline in human connection? Or can they enhance our relationships by providing support and understanding?
There is a risk that relying on AI for emotional fulfillment could lead to a decrease in face-to-face interaction.
Some argue that AI companions could improve our relationships by providing emotional support. If we feel heard by our AI companions, we may be more emotionally available in our human relationships.
Section 6. The future of intimacy, a brave new world. The future of AI intimacy is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Technology is rapidly changing the landscape of human connection.
As AI companions become more sophisticated and lifelike, they will continue to challenge our notions of love, intimacy, and what it means to be human.
It is essential that we approach these advancements with both curiosity and caution.
We must engage in open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks of AI intimacy. We must consider the ethical implications of these technologies and strive to create guidelines that prioritize human well-being and the preservation of genuine human connection.
The future of intimacy may be uncertain, but by approaching these changes with thoughtfulness and open minds, we can harness the power of technology to enhance our relationships and create a future where both human and artificial intelligence can coexist and thrive.